Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. We got another update on the 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. It's on the body shop side of the shop right now. Have seam sealed all the seams as like the factory would have done back in the day. Firewall, we put a new firewall on, seam sealed that. We're just going for a factory look on this. Factory look, wheel tubs, seam sealed, other miscellaneous areas on the underside have been seam sealed. Started doing spot bodywork repairs, really kind of fixing areas that whoever the other shop was back in the day failed. But who knows, maybe it happened so long ago, this was just a used car. No one cared about it. Maybe that was the reasoning on, in quotes, their quality. So we are working with what they did, making it work with what we did, and we're not painting the whole vehicle. We're just spot repairing, and he doesn't want the car show paint job. He plans on daily driving this, which I think is super cool. Daily drive them. Don't save them for the next person. That person don't care. Drive it. Have fun. We are ready to seal up the underside, the inside, the firewall. It is taped off as far as we're going to tape it, just to protect the green and the dash. Everything has been sanded and prepped. I did a combo of the DA on the big flat areas. Super easy, and wire wheel in the nooks and crannies. I also finished up putting seam sealer everywhere. It's gonna look nice, factory style. Tomorrow morning, when it's a little bit cooler, the temps are getting warm by the afternoon. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna spray this up. Then once, obviously, when this is all bolted back together and on all four wheels, we'll cut out the bracing, and I'll just shoot a couple little blends where we welded. I'm super stoked with how this is turning out. First time spraying this product right here. Matrix sealer primer, depending on how you mix it. And it laid out Super nice, super nice. I did use my good gun on it, but this is what I wanted. Nice satin black. And it is nice and consistent everywhere. I really like how it looks on the firewall. Has that factory feel to it, which is what we were going for. Whole underside, super nice coverage. There's like probably 3 coats on here, and I'm really happy with it. Really happy with it. Next step is I'm going to spray the trunk with coating, bed liner. They plan on using it. They plan on using it, and I've found that like the factory original style spray bomb stuff that you buy, like for this car, it's supposed to be a gray aqua color. It really don't hold up if you're actually using the trunk and putting stuff in it, groceries, you know, all the miscellaneous stuff you would throw in a trunk, chairs, if you go to a car show, I don't know, if you got kids stuff, whatever that is. But this will be super durable, and it'll have a nice clean look to it. But this matrix stuff, I can't wait to use it elsewhere on other projects, like see how it sands out. All right, smells fresh, super fresh. Inside of the trunk has been sprayed. I used bed liner in it. Pretty happy with the way the texture came out. This texture is still factory, and the new stuff lines up pretty good. Maybe turn the light out. You can see the texture a little better. Pretty good. Everywhere. It'll be nice and strong once it fully dries. I probably would not go the route of the spray bomb again. The end result is good, and I'm fine with it. It took a technique. You had to hold it, you know, 3 or 4 feet away from the surface to get the texture. If you hold it too close, it just ends up looking like paint. The reason I use the spray bomb is because I didn't want to spend my time cleaning the gun for just a trunk. But for the amount of time that it took in between coats for this to set up and to keep the texture, the same amount of time would have been used with me cleaning the gun for a different product, which I've used in the past. But overall, the quality is still there, so I'm not upset about that. It's fine, and I do like the texture once I got the technique down, so it doesn't flow out too much. This is going to be the end of part 2 for the Firebird project. Still more to do. The body work, trying to fix what the last guys did, blend it with the new sheet metal. Most of this body work is done. The heavy stuff is done. Now it's just glaze it, sand that down, and feather fill, block that out. Oh, the sealer, seam sealer, that I like to use right here, 2939-2. That stuff works real good. And if you don't have one of these pneumatic caulking guns, oh man, get it. It's a time saver. Easy, super easy. Definitely more to come with the Firebird project. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content like always.
What do you think of the 1968 Pontiac Firebird progress? There is definitely more to come on this one. Thank you for watching and please like, comment and subscribe.